What if you could turn a simple sketch into a stunning 3D model in seconds? Meshy AI is revolutionizing how creatives build 3D assets. Here's everything you need to know. Meshy AI is a cutting-edge 3D model generator that uses artificial intelligence to create production-ready 3D assets from text prompts or 2D images. Unlike traditional 3D modeling software, it requires zero technical skills, whether you're designing game assets, architectural visualizations, or product prototypes. Meshy AI delivers results in minutes instead of hours. Sign up at meshy.ai and choose your creation method, text to 3D or image to 3D. Write detailed prompts like low poly wooden chair with cushions for best results. Upload your image or describe your vision, then let IA generate multiple variations. Select your favorite, refine details, and download in formats compatible with Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine. Specificity wins. Include style descriptors, stylized, realistic, low poly, or cartoon. Mention materials and lighting preferences. Experiment with multiple prompts to discover variations. Use the editing tools to adjust proportions and details post-generation. Combine meshy outputs with other AI tools like Midjourney for texturing. Concept artists accelerate workflows. Game developers 3D creation. Concept artists accelerate workflows. Game developers prototype faster. Product designers visualize ideas instantly. It's not replacing traditional modeling, it's amplifying creativity instantly. It's not replacing traditional modeling, it's amplifying creativity. Like this video, subscribe for more AI art guides, and comment which 3D asset you'd create first.